During the 95 model year run, the XJ series got an improved brake booster vacuum check valve. It was offered as a retrofit part for the early run cars, not through a recall but with a technical service bulletin. The customer had to pay for the upgrade. The instructions suggest a screwdriver is the only tool you need, but I don't think it's appropriate for either side of the pipe.
Okay, this is the before video with the old brake vacuum check valve. Okay, that's as firm as it gets. Here's the new part. I ordered it from S&G Barrett for around $50, but it took several months to arrive from some dusty corner of an obscure overseas warehouse. The manifold end of the pipe comes out easily, just push on the retainer ring while pulling out the pipe. The booster end is a lot tougher. I needed both hands on the pliers to get it out. I'll be throwing it out so I don't have to be too careful with the old part. Got it out of the booster grommet. Fish out the old pipe. The old parts check valve is all black. New is half gray. Get the booster end routed under the master, not interfering with the ABS sensor wire. Plug in the manifold end. That's secure. Struggle with the booster end. Instructions say no lubricants, but saliva helped. Brake check. Yeah, from that static test, I can't say there's a whole lot in it, but anything that could possibly improve the pedal feel on this car is welcome. I'll report back once I've road tested it.